Hello students of class 1, myself Nikita Patel from Saraswat International Academy. Today I am going to teach you mathematics chapter number 1, numbers up to 50, part 8. So last time we learned about number names, tens and ones place. Now here there are some questions given. You can say we call it as word problems also. So according to that we have to solve these questions and write down in these boxes. So first read the heading. How many? One has been done for you. Now as you can see what they have written, 3 bunches of 10 bananas each and 5 loose ones. 3 bunches of 10 bananas means 1, 2, 3. 3 bunches are there and each bunch there is 10, 10, 10 bananas. That means it is total 30 bananas. And next they have told that 5 loose ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 are loose, so 30 and 5 loose. So 30 means on tens place, so we will write 3, and 5 on ones place we will write 5. So total how many bananas are there? 35 bananas. So like this you have to write. In tens column you have to write 3 and in ones column you have to write 5. Again in the blue box you have to write total 35. Now next one same we will solve. 2 necklaces with 10 beads each and 8 loose ones. Now you can see here 2 necklaces are there and in each necklace 10 beads are there, means total 20 beads. And how many loose are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 loose and 20 of 10 beads. So total it is 28 beads, because 20 we will write in tens column, so it will be 2, and in ones column we will write 8, so it will be total 28. So like this you have to write. Next is 4 stacks of 10 coins each. So you can see 4 stacks, 1, 2, 3, 4. So total 10 if you count. So how many are they? 40 and 2 loose ones. So you can see in the picture there are 2 loose ones. So 40 and 2 becomes 42. So you will write in this box 42. Next is one box of 10 balls. So in this one box there are total 10 balls and one is loose. So this 10 if I write in tens place, so what it will be? In tens place what you will write as 10? 1. In ones place this extra ball you will write, it will be 1. So total it will be 11. So total 11 balls are there. Now next it is given, ring the value of colored digit 1 has been done for you. Now as you can see here one number is given 31. So what they have asked to ring the value of the colored digit. So as you can see 3 is colored dark. So 3 comes on which place? Tens place, and 1 will come on ones place. So exactly what is the value of 3 actually? So it is 30 because it is in tens place. So what we will do? We will circle 30. Same way as you can see 45. 45 they have colored 5, digit 5. So 5 comes in ones place, 4 comes in tens place. So the value of 5 will be 5. So we will circle 5. Next it is given 28. So if you put this in column of tens and ones, so they have colored digit 2. So the value of 2 is 20 and 8 is 8. So what we will circle 20, because 20 they have colored. Now next is 17. So in tens column if you put 17, So here 1 is in place of tens. So what we will circle? 10. Next it is given 33. So in tens column if we put 33, they have colored this 3. So this 3 is 30 which is on tens place, and this 3 is 3. So according to ones place we will circle this 3. Now next page, what they have asked us to do, climb up the number ladder. Now this is very easy. How you count forward from 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, like that number goes on. So we have to climb the ladder until we complete the total ladder. So how many ladders are there? We will count. See, 1 2 3 4 5. And if when you will start writing numbers, you will come to know in one ladder how many numbers can fit. So here you can see they have started from 1, they have already given 1. So when you will start from 1, next you will write 2 3 4 5. As I have written, you have to write the same way. So you last will be the 10th number. Now 11 again they have given. When you will start writing from 12, you will climb up to 20. Again you will start from 21, you will climb up to 30. Then you will start from 31, you will climb up to 40. When you will start from 41, you will climb up to 50. So like this you have to count forward and go on writing the numbers. So this you will do at home. Climb down the number ladder. Down means, now as we know, climb up means we go upwards. Down means you have to come down, means you have to count back. So how you will count back? This is 50. They have given 2 3 numbers, 50, 49, 48. Now what comes before 48? 47 you have to write, and before 47, 46, before 46, 45, before 45, 44, before 44, 43, before 43, 42, and before 42, 41. Again they have given us 40. So before 40 comes 39, before that for 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, and 31. Same way here 30 and 29 is given. So you will write 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21. Then 20 is given and 19 is given. So you will write 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, and 11. Then same way 10 is given. So write down 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Like this you will complete your climb down number ladder. Next topic is give the number before, number in between, and number after. So as we have done this topic, so it will be very easy for you to understand. Why? Because before number means when you climb down the ladder, you have seen we write the before numbers. So like that you have to write the before number. Now here see 23 is given here. So before 23 comes 22. So we will write 22 in that column. Next is 48. So before 48 what comes? 47. So you will write 47 in that column. Then before 27, 26 comes. Before 39, 38 comes. Before 40, 39 comes. Now numbers in between, you have to write into between two numbers which number comes. Now 35 is given and 37 is given. So between that 36 comes. 29 and 31, between them 30 comes. Between 42 and 44, 43. Between 20 and 22, 21. Between 48 and 50, 49. Then after numbers means which comes after 39. After 39 comes 40. After 28 comes 29. After 40 comes 41. After 31 comes 32. After 47 comes 48. Like this you will complete your this question. Now next heading is Cross out the numbers that are not in order. Now order means we have to see that we have to see the numbers here first, and we have to make it into the order, then find the words that the rest of the letters make, then whatever the remaining letters are there, that we have to make one word out of that. Now one has been done for you. Write the complete sentence in the last line. Means your one line is given, so whichever words you will find out, that you have to combine it and write down at the last. So let us see the first one. They have given the example. Now they have given us T Q H E. Now from this, what you understand, don't go now. First we will not see the letters, we will see here. See, 18 is given, 12 is given, 19 is given, and 20 is given. According to this, 18 is in line, 12 comes actually before 18, so 12 should not be here. Then after 18, 19 comes, so this is right, and after 19, 20 comes. So this column we will cancel. So which letters will be remaining? T H E. So you have to write in this lines. So the word becomes the, T H E, the. Same way, see this, they have given us here 45, 41. Now 41 comes before 45. Then after 41 comes 42, 43 and 44. So these four are in line, and 45, 47 and 46 we have to cancel. So the word becomes FAIR, fair. Next is 9, 10, 11 comes in line, and 6 doesn't come in this line, so the word becomes has, has. Same way, see, 27, 28, 29, 30 is given, so the word becomes COME, come. And 49 and 50, so the word becomes 20. Then TOWN, town. So 36, 37, 38, 39, so the word is town. So when you will join all these words together, when you will combine it, when you will write in one line, what will be the sentence? The fair has come to town. So you will write here this whole sentence. So students, here I complete this part. Hope you all will try at home, try doing it, learn properly the number names, how do we call that numbers. So thank you students.